So?
Hey! Not a blood clot. What's up, AC gang? It's your girl Abbi and
Capo here.
And guys, as you can see by the title, we're about to do the
25 ways of kissing.
Yeah, 25.
Challenge or just an activity?
I don't know, guys. I see this going on YouTube, so
you know, we got to jump and do it.
Yep.
So guys, it's been a while since I've been kissed by Abbi, so I'm looking forward to this challenge. I don't know, ask her what I did, I don't know, but I haven't been getting any kisses, so.
To be honest, guys, Capo more just think. Yeah, I said it.
Well, I go to the party.
Pull your phone.
I go to the party, right? So guys, we're gonna do the challenge. 25 ways of kissing, types of kissing.
Yeah,
Same
types
thing.
of kissing, ways, anything. So, make a flick right in the video. So number 1, the forehead kiss.
So she's gonna express admiration right now. Oh, me to kiss you. Okay, ready.
You want to make a
What
boy, my smudge my eyebrow.
You feel like I admire you?
No.
No.
Yeah.
What do you feel
Go
like?
again. My have about my chin, you know. Come, move on.
Guys, don't talk to girl like wear makeup. I can't with this girl. And that's why I've been getting any kisses recently. Alright, number 2, a kiss on the hand.
So, this is when you grasp a person's hand. Fuck this. Kiss me on my hand.
Oh, wow. These are the most beautiful hands I've ever held in my life. That doesn't look so dirty.
Stop looking at kiss it.
Kiss what?
Kiss it.
Okay. Look in the eyes. Look into my eyes.
Yeah. So number 3, this is the Eskimo Kiss. Oh, what? Eskimo Kiss.
Oh.
When two noses rub against each other and move back and forth.
Like also?
Hey! Not a blood clot.
Also? Hey! Not a blood clot.
Capo, behave yourself.
Who's a good girl?
Back and forth. Don't kiss it.
Alright, number 4 is the earlobe kiss.
So you accomplish this by gentle kissing or nibbling on the ear of the earlobes.
Oh.
Come, baby.
Okay, let me see. Do you like it?
Yeah, go again.
If it is.
Go again.
Calm down, girl.
Go again.
We got this.
Go again. Okay.
Okay, that one was
Let's try to reach. Okay, guys. Number 5, leave a mark kiss. So me call this, you sign your man. And I left a signature upon him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Make the people them know say, yo, eh?
Where's that thing?
And this can be done anywhere, guys. Just make sure you left your mark and make the people them know say you're a man. Alright, put up with. Yeah. I left my mark. Am I a man? Yeah.
Creepy, huh? Alright, number 6, lizard kiss.
Lizard kiss. This is where the tongue rapidly goes in and out of the mouth in quick strokes. Oh. Alright, guys, so number 7, this is the ear kiss. It's done by giving a mwah
Oh, it's just like...
in the ear beside the cheek of the person. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah. So number 8
is the...
vampire kiss. Okay, so me do it to you.
Alright then, long time empty. Oh my god! Didn't you ever kiss me like, you know? Oh yeah, I do. Alright. Okay. How about these twilights?
Number 9 is the bite kiss.
Incorporate and nibble into a kiss, okay?
Very gently bite on your partner's tongue or lips. Oh, gently.
I'm gonna
So number 10, guys, is the
shoulder kiss. Wow.
wait, I'm gonna drop it low for you.
What is it like this? Come on.
Okay.
Relax yourself, girl.
like bomba clad. Yeah. So guys, number 11. Now this is the single lip kiss.
Involve kissing the person's bottom lip while they kiss your top lip.
French kiss. Again, bottle with Capo spit in my mouth.
French kiss time now.
You stop talking. Come on,
Why you going to live?
where are
Let me go.
Yo.
I don't speak French. Let's go again.
No. Tell me say I'm not kiss him all longer then he give the chance I never want to do it good.
The truth is, I forgot how to do French kiss.
Oh God. Come again.
Tell them how you like that.
I love it.
Oh.
Cheek kiss. Put your hands on your partner's shoulder, gentle brush your lips across their cheek.
Gentle brush lips across cheek. So like.
Move and follow in. So guys, number 13, the angel kiss. So this is basically when your partner kiss on the top of your eyelid.
Okay, kiss me on my
Kiss
eyelid.
me.
Your eyelash come off? Alright.
So number 14.
Oh.
Number 14, the belly kiss. So this is basically when your partner kiss your belly. Kiss my belly, baby.
Belly sweaty.
Is that it?
Belly fat though.
Answer. So guys, this is the butterfly kiss. So this is basically using our eyelashes
To kiss,
to
basically.
kiss.
Butterflies.
Next one is the foot kiss because I love yourself problem. The foot kiss. So this is when your partner kiss your foot.
Are we going to meow meow?
Gently suck on the toes and then lightly kiss their feet.
Are we going to be for them? Yo, wash your foot. Move friends, man.
Gently suck on the toes
Where put this?
and then your partner kiss your feet.
It's gingers.
Gently kiss on the toes. You gotta do this for AC gag, right?
Okay,
AC
let me
gag.
kiss your foot.
Gentle kiss on the toes. Gentle suck on the toes.
That now go on. Get a kiss there.
Number 17, guys. This is the laughter kiss. So when you whisper a joke, your partner's supposed to laugh. And when your partner start laughing, you start kiss them. So Capo, tell me a joke. I'm gonna laugh.
Man, you not the ish because you pum pum. Now.
Number 18, guys. So this is the lip tease kiss. Lightly lick your partner's lips from the outside to the inside. Lick from the outside to the inside.
Oh, that red of that.
Number 19 is the
Peck kiss.
So guys, this is basically when you kiss your partner lips quickly and lightly. So
How quick like?
hey man, that was my good lips, you know. Come. No, you got too rough, dog.
Like. Okay.
That is it. Follow instruction. Number 20. So this is the upside down kiss. I think this one is also called a Spider-Man kiss. You know, if you see the scene.
No explanation needed.
Oh God.
We
The
got
boy, I be
this.
up strong.
Feet on spinach.
Number 21. All over kiss. So this is basically when you just kiss the. Oh yeah, they're so strong, boy.
I'm waiting. Woo! Butterfly in my tummies. Hey, tiger, calm down.
Yeah. Yeah. You like that answer?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So guys, this is the Bambi Kiss.
A light lick on the side of the face. Okay. Ew, that kind of gross. Can I wipe it off?
Oh, say wipe on my kiss now. Y'all wipe on my kiss now.
Okay. Put it on. Put it back. Okay.
Alright, this is the Dizzy Kiss. So this is basically before kissing, both you and your partner spin around in circles separately. Then try to kiss each other. Sound interested? And let's go. 1,
2,
3. The next one is
that was not smart. Duck kiss.
So this is how you move your head back and forth like a duck while your tongue moves in and out of your partner's mouth like a lizard.
Get the head first.
Get the head first. No tongue. I think this is the last one.
Yeah, I'm a
the
mess.
fish kiss. Oh. This. Then move towards each other with your lips, opening and closing until your lips meet.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. That's the end of. I think this was a challenge. Yeah.
I guess so. After
25.
the Dizzy Kiss alone, and I'm out.
25 types of kisses. Just make sure you hit the like button.
Subscribe if you're new.
Comment type of videos you want to see, guys, and follow us on Instagram.
Remember to share our videos, people. Just share them to your friends.
Yeah.
Tell someone about us, our channel, if you enjoy the content.
Give me some prank because prank girl. Abbi, I come back with prank them. You know?
I can't take with this girl.
Don't forget to follow us on Snapchat, Abbi and Capo. And subscribe to our comedy channel, Abbi and Capo Comedy TV. Yeah, because we still start post some comedy pan.
True.
Until then, AC Gang is
out.
bye.